Today we're going to be talking about the French knot, this little guy right here. So to do the French knot, you just pull through. You can use however many threads. Right now I have 2, and using the different number will also change how your French knots look. So I have 2 strands. Let's say I do 2 loops. So you're gonna wrap the thread around 1 time and then 2 times. And then you put the needle back through either the same hole, or sometimes I like to do it like right next to it, just so it doesn't get pulled through accidentally. So then you stab it back, and while you're pulling it through, you are holding the other side of the thread. And then you just pull it through the other side, and you have a French knot. You can do really as many times as you want around the needle. So let's see, I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, just to make like a larger French knot. Stab it back through the same hole or a nearby place. And let's say this time I'll leave it a little loose. If you don't pull it tight, the French knot will be a looser knot. It might have more of a small rose kind of shape to it. You can kind of see it's not as tight as this one. French knots are really easy once you get the hang of it, but there's a lot to play with when it comes to like being tight, being very loose. You could even do it super loose and have like a, oh, it keeps getting caught. Like a strange loose looking knot depending on what kind of texture you want. For example, I'll do this kind of very loose knot for curly hair if I'm doing a woman. Or if I want to do it very tight and I only do it, say, 1 time, I like to do this for like the centers of flowers, for that textured like almost sunflower look in the middle. So yeah, play around with your French knots however many times you do it, and happy embroidering.